our investigation 4.4 part B, and we are looking at question number 12. It states that your teacher will show you 3 continents made out of dough. We have North America, Africa, and South America. And in your notebook, record the answers to the following questions. What do you observe about the shapes of these continents? Here's Africa, North America, and South America. So record in your notebook what you observe about the shape of these continents. After observing the continents, you want to answer step number B, how the lithosphere and the asthenosphere system may have caused these landforms to develop. We are looking at landforms such as mountains that are here, mountains that are over here, as well as here. Africa has a rift valley, which is up here. So what do you think would cause those type of land formations? Next, Cardinals, we are going to look at question number 13. It says, with the belts reset again, watch as the teacher tries different combinations of continents on the moving plates model. In your science notebook, record your answers to the following questions. Step A, which continents seem to fit well together? Step B, how do you think this may have happened? So let's take a look. Here we're going to bring together Africa and South America. What do you notice about the collisions between South America and Africa? All right, the next thing that we're going to look at is North America and Africa. Next, we're going to try all 3 continents, North America, South America, and Africa. Record your answers for question 13. So the next question we're going to look at is step number 14. It says, watch as your teacher slowly turns the knob so that the continents move away from one another. When the 2 continents are about 8 centimeters apart, that represents their current positions. Their movement from 0 to 8 centimeters apart represents millions of years. So let's see what's going to happen. Step number 15 asks you to compare the shapes of the continents to the shape of the ridge in the center of the Atlantic Ocean. Discuss the following questions or take a peek at the questions and record your ideas in your science notebook. A, what patterns do you observe in the shapes of the continents? What do you think caused these patterns? B, how do you think the Atlantic Ocean formed? All right, looking at step number 16, it says, watch as your teacher reverses the knobs. North America and Africa start on the outer ends of the belts. Now you will go back in geological history. What happens as the continents collide? So I'm going to take off the continents and rearrange them a little bit. And we're going to look to see what happens when North America collides with Africa. And we're going to look at what happens, what kind of formations will be made. Record your ideas in your science notebook. When you are finished, please read Building Your Knowledge, Colliding, Sliding, and Separating Plates, and be able to discuss the following questions and be prepared to share your responses with the class.